What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're on the F-150 again. In the last video I did the rear brakes, and I know I used an old rotor on one side and it kind of got on my nerves, but that's all we could do at that time. But still the same day, same night. But I'm doing the front rotors and pads now, and just to let you know, this caliper bracket torques to 184 foot-pounds, and these is tight, especially on this one. So be prepared for a workout if you're going to be doing this, because it isn't for the lighthearted. So we'll start off with 13mm. 13mm on the bottom too. Where is you? Get you out of there. One, two, come on. Alright, there we go. There's your bolts. Pull on it a little bit. Set up there. Then 21mm. Pull those brackets off. Let me get my short 21. See if I can get my little impact in there, because that will help out a lot. Impact will not fit in there, of course. So you're going to have to go in manual mode. Alrighty. Ooh. She is tight as I don't want to say. God almighty, she is super tight. One down. My God. It's coming. She is coming. She's just super tight. Let me see if I can get on her ratchet now. Crazy. Give myself a hernia. Oh. Don't you dare slip off there. Ooh. Ford really didn't want these brakes coming off. Like, how much torque should we put on them? Somebody said yes. All of it. This is crazy. The other side was tight too. Ugh. Can I go home now? I mean, I do my own business, and I probably could, but I need to get this done. It's like 8 o'clock at night. I think it's later than that, to be honest. No gym tonight. I'll be honest, doing this on the ground would have sucked. Oh no. Thank God that's over with. I don't know if I got any strength to swing a hammer now. This is gonna be rusty too, ain't it? Boy, look at it. Yeah. Sorry, headphone users. Well, that one's empty. Gotta get another can. And make sure this can works. I think it works. Yeah, it does. Here's a little trick in case y'all didn't know. Hang it on backwards. You can spray her off as much as you want to. Then, take it, flip it. Rinse and repeat. With paw prints off of y'all. Now, get these, pop those out. I'm gonna clean this off. Where you do this, stick the inside in first, pop, and just repeat it on the other three. And they snap in pretty good, so you don't have to worry about them coming off too much on these. Show you again. Stick it on the inside if I can get it to hold right. Snap. Crackle and pop. Just like the back, put a little bit of lube on the hardware. So the pads, they are inners and outers. So the inners have the little hoops on them, ears, whatever you want to call them. Got a little blue Loctite on these. I'm gonna get it in there. Now I'm just going to tighten them down with my ratchet, and then when I get ready to torque them, I'll bring y'all back just show you that I'm torquing them, because they torque to a lot. 184, as I stated before. Okay. 184. There's one. That one's 186. We're going to do this one more time. And that one's 184.3. Now, let's press that piston back in. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to use a C-clamp and a brake tool. Put the brake tool on one side, push it in as much as I can, then use C-clamp on the other side. And I'm just going to alternate them. Tighten them both one at a time, back and forth. And that's it. A little bit of brake grease on contact points. A little bit on the piston. And on the boot a little bit, just so it keeps that boot kind of lubricated. And these torque to 27 foot-pounds. And 2. So we check them. There we go. That is putting front brakes on a 2010. Probably applies to a bunch of other ones, but I gotta look that up to see which ones it does apply to. But if y'all got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And also, before you take off, make sure you pump up that brake before you back out, because it will sink to the floor and you will keep going and you might hit something if you got something behind you. But like I said, got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Get to them as soon as possible. I know I'm kind of rushing. My battery's about to die. But thank y'all for everything y'all have done. And y'all remember, torque this tight. Y'all have a great day.